Good morning. We will start with the linear equations in one variable session 6, and this is the last session of this chapter. So I hope you have practiced the previous exercise. There are only few numericals kind of linear equations given. Few homeworks were given, so you can always check the answer given at the back, compare the answers, and if any doubt, you can call and confirm. We'll quickly move on to the last exercise. Solve the following linear equation and also make a note of the homework sums here. So in this, second one and third one is your homework. That's all. First one, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. So what do we do now here? We cross multiply this 3x with 2. So this is 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6x. Transpose 8x minus 6x is equal to minus 3 when it comes to this side plus 3. 8 minus 6 is 2x. Sorry, 8 minus 6 is correct. 2x is equal to 3 where x is equal to 3 by 2. Next one, second and third is marked for homework. Fourth one, 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Here, multiply, cross multiply 5 with this, cross multiply minus 2 with this. So this is 5 of 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 of 2 minus 6y. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 2 2s are minus 4 minus minus plus 6 2s are 12y. Transpose y term and x term to y term and constant to each sides. 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. 15 minus 12, 3y, minus 4 minus 20 is minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 by 3 and y is equal to 3 1s are 3 8s are minus 9. So y is equal to minus 8. It's a very small exercise, children. It is hardly now 3 more sums remaining in this exercise. Fifth one, 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Again, cross multiply with the same thing. 3 of 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 of y plus 2. 7 3s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus 4y minus 8. 4 into y 4y, 4 2s is minus 8. 21y minus 4y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. 21 minus, 21 plus 4, what do you get? 25y is equal to minus 20. Y is equal to minus 20 by 25. 5 4s are, 5 5s are. Y is equal to minus 4 by 5 is your answer. So with that we complete the first part, which is only the numericals linear equation kind we have. Next we have two verbal sums. I hope you will have copied this down. There are simple verbal sums given here. One is age related and another is the fraction. So read the question. Ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. So since ratio is given, let the ratio of their ages be, or let the ratio be. First of all, we will consider that as x. 4 years from now, ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find the present ages. So we have done ratio sums, but after 4 years, after 3 years, whatever it is, that wasn't given in terms of ratio. So let it is one, let the ratio be x. So therefore, let the ratio of age be x. Therefore, what is Hari's age? Hari's age is 5x and Harry's age is 7x. Okay. 4 years from now. 4 years from now is nothing but from now is 4 years later. So what is Hari's age after 4 years? It's going to be 5x plus 4. And what is Harry's age? Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. By data, 4 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 3:4. That is 5x is to 4. Hari's age to Harry's age will be 3:4. That is why we had such sums for the first exercise. Now we know what to do. Cross multiply with this. 4 of 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 of 7x plus 4. 4 5s are 20x plus 16. 7 3s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. 20 minus 21 is minus 1x is equal to 12 minus 16 is minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 by minus 1. X is equal to 4. Therefore, the present age of Hari is 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20 years. So Hari's age is 20 years and Hari is how much? 7x, that is equal to 7 into 4, 28 years. So these are the present ages of Hari and Hari. And the last sum of this session, as I had told, this will be the one of the most smallest session probably what I have sent till now. A denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So whenever a rational number is given, not a fraction here, how do you represent a rational number? Let a rational number is denoted by p by 2. That is a numerator upon denominator. So let the rational number is which question? 7. Let the rational number be x. So let the rational number be numerator by denominator, which is nothing but it is nothing as x by 1, which is nothing but x. Understood? Because since they have given about numerator and denominator, we have to say that it's numerator upon denominator. By data, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. This is given. So this is the rational number given. So I will write in the bracket given rational number. Okay. So further what they have told, if the numerator is increased by 17, x upon x plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. This is rational number, okay? If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the number of feet is 3 by 2. Solve now, cross multiply. Before cross multiplying, x plus 17 divided by x plus 8 minus 1, 7, that is equal to 3 by 2. So 2 of x plus 17 is equal to 3 of x plus 7. 2x, 17 twos are 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. 2 minus 3x is minus x. 21 minus 34 is 13, minus 13. Right? Yeah. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Therefore, the rational number is what is it? X upon x plus 8, that is equal to 13 upon 13 plus 8, that is equal to 13 upon 21. Is your answer. So with this we complete the exercise. I have given you 2 homework, and please practice the worked examples also as well, and any doubt in this chapter you can call once the video is sent.